Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome to Final Cut Bits. I'm Colin. In this short tutorial, I just want to explain about captions and how you put captions on your video clip. Okay, so what we can do, we find a point we want to put a caption. Then we can go to the edit part of the menu, go down to captions, add captions. Really simple, really. And you type in what you want as a caption. This is a road. Okay, so once that's in, we can see this already here. We can zoom in, we can alter the length of it, we can change it as much as we want. If you don't see the captions in the screen, you go to the left here under index and go onto roles and just ensure you have captions ticked. All right, it's checked, because if you don't see it, just check that because you won't see it. Okay, an easier way to do a caption is we'll just find any point really. We'll find a white van. All right, so now we can just do Option C, and that achieves the same thing as a shortcut. So this is a white van. All right, so now we have two captions, and now when you click on that, when you go to it, we see we have an option to go to, we double click it, then we have an option to go to the other caption, like left and right, if you have more than, multiple of them. So there's that as well. So if you want to change the caption, how it displays on the screen, you go up to the top right here, into your properties, and I believe you go into, and actually you select it, and then it comes up. And then you can choose, like, format it bold, or you can position it to the top, and I believe like you can position it around using these little tools. So that's basically how you put a caption. And like, if you notice a mistake in your video, you can correct it by putting a caption in there, or you can use it as subtitles, and embed all these captions into your footage for whatever reason you may want to do that. So I hope you learned something from this, and thanks for listening. And until next time, I'll say peace.